Good morning everyone. PMJDY or Pradhan Mantri Dhan Yojana. If you ever heard about this scheme is coming into the news recently due to the COVID-19 situations. And the government of India is providing the benefit of direct transfer of money of rupees 500 to the women that will be facilitated under this scheme. And according to the data, around 20.4 crores of women will be get benefited under this scheme. So if you had one of those, if you want to know more about this, definitely you want to know about what exactly the PMJDY scheme and what is the benefit of that scheme. Alright, so I am going to talk about detail about the PMJDY and this video and all the statistics and what is the main motto of the government of India to take this decision to inaugurate the schemes and how you open that scheme under this video. So if you want to take the opportunity and get the benefit from this video, definitely you have to stay till the end. So first we have to think about what exactly a PMJDY and why it is very much important. The main motto of the PMJDY was financial inclusions. It means the banking facility to the every corner of India. And this facilities was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in the year of 2014 and on the month of 15th August 2014. And exactly 6 years ago. So this scheme was introduced to provide the financial inclusion and provide the benefit to all the peoples, to the societies. Okay, when we think about the 65% of our country people are in rural areas, and the most of the people to generate income depend upon the MSME sectors. This is the scheme was introduced by the government of India in order to fuel to the MSME sector as well. You can think about that. Okay, so what is the main motto of these sectors of this PMJDY? Alright, so it was, as I told, that it was inaugurated in the year of 2014 and 15th August 2014 it was announced, and it was inaugurated in the 28th August 2014. Alright, and it is the main motto of this the scheme is Mera Khata Bhagya Vidata. It means that in English, my accounts give me good fortune. Alright, so it is to provide the facility to all the people, to the society, and every people have a bank account. The main motto is the zero balance account. It means that you can open an account with a zero balance without any kind of minimum amount deposited in the bank. So that's why it is more popular among the people, and that's why it provide the more and more people deposits and open their account through this scheme. Okay, let's know what exactly the statistics says about this scheme. This PMJDY is a financial program of the government of India, and in the government citizen, it is only for the minor, for the teen and above, with the support from the guardian, and for all the people of the society, which provide the facilities of bank account, remittances, credit, and insurance and pensions. Okay, so all the facilities which were provided to this account. Alright, so it was inaugurated in the 2014, as I said earlier. On the 15th of August it was announced and inaugurated on 28th of August 2014. And the scheme was launched by the Indian as our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, so what do the statistics say about this account? So it means that our statistics say that 15 million bank accounts were opened on inauguration day, and it is a Guinness World Book record because this account is main motto is a zero balance. That's why the number of people open the accounts increased the 15 million on the inauguration day, and it is the Guinness World Book record. Okay, and the second thing about the balance of Jan Dhan account rose by 270 billion rupees, and it is almost 3.8 billion US dollar between 9th November 2016 to 23rd November 2016, which is a record as well. Okay, so many people are open this account, and around 1.9 people households avail the overdraft facility, and 2.56 billion people on May 2016. And UP and West Bengal have got 20.29% of total deposits under the scheme, where Kerala and Goa became the first states in the country to provide one basic bank account to every household. Alright, so how the benefit people getting to this through the schemes? Okay, so under the scheme, it create a Guinness World Book Records, and many people have got the basic facilities of banking to the doorsteps. So because of this rural population, because the poorest section of this people, they don't have a money to open a bank account. That's why they're afraid of opening an account. But if you do not invest in some account, definitely you not get an amount of return, your interest and nothing will get. Okay, so main motto is to be provide to the poorest section of the peoples of a country and the rural sectors of the people of the country to reach the banking at their doorsteps and provide the financial inclusion everywhere in the country. Okay, because the 65% of our rural populations of India, that's why this is considered. Alright, so what exactly the benefit of this? Let's go to the benefit of this scheme. Okay, so what do you think that what is the benefit of this? So as you saw, the recent benefit that the Indian government has provided, that is 500 rupees will be transferred to the every women under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana under this PMJDY. It means that if you are any female, if you are any women in your family, definitely if they have an account of PMJDY, they will get a facilities of 500 transfer of their accounts. Okay, so in a month itself, and this starting from the April, May, June, 3 months they will get, that is that. Okay, so I already told that how many person who got the facilities, 20.4 crores of women will get the facilities under this PMJDY. Correct. So that is one thing. The second benefit, all about the benefit is, but it is a provide a zero balance scheme, and it provide the facilities to open an account without any minimum kind of deposits. You can open an account with a zero balance. You don't have to worry, just have to give all the documents, like your what are the documents required for open accounts without a balance. So it is benefit for the student because they don't have earnings at the time of the student life, and the people who are the poorer section people, or they afraid of opening the bank accounts. Correct, they will provide the facilities. Apart from that is provide facilities for getting a loans and overdraft facilities. Okay, you can take a loan from bank, you can provide an overdraft. It's a normal facilities by the given by the person, and and it is also provide the accident and insurance cover. So when I'm thinking about your ATM card, it is provide insurance cover against your ATM card as well as against your account. So we'll know in detail about how you open an account through a bank the section in this section itself. So you can get a insurance cover on this. All right, so this is all about that. So another thing is about it is coverage provider complimentary RuPay credit card, debit card under the which account holders and accidental insurance coverage, life insurance coverage worth 1,30,000 respectively. It means that you will get an accidental coverage as well as life insurance coverage under this card facilities of 1,30,000 respectively, as I told earlier. Okay, so what are the scheme, and it is whatever the benefit you if you are in the part of the PMJD, like for example this Atal Pension Yojana, if you are invested some money, the whatever the return you will get directly invested, directly go to your account. Okay, there is no middle person interventions, so it will directly go to your account, as you say in case of women in this COVID-19 situations. All right, so this is all about that. So what are the recent changes? This is all the benefits I have discussed. So what are the recent changes that has occurred? So as I told, 20.4 crores of women will get the facilities of 500 direct transfer of money to their account, because as you all know that they need, women take a most important part of our family, our society. So in order to make them more facilities and provide the most strength to them, government of India has taken the different steps and provide the 500 rupees for 3 months, April, May, June, for this time. Okay, so that is the announced by our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, who self women. Another thing is, what about thinking about how you people can open an account. So you can open an account by going to a bank, as I already told you, or you can open an account through online itself. Okay, so if I want to open an account through the bank, I will suggest to go to the online, because as you know, everybody have the internet facilities. Okay, everybody have the smartphone at their home, so it's better to open an account through internet rather than going to a bank. That will helpful for you to meet these situations. Okay, the current situation happening right now. So if you are ever going to open in a bank, this is a normal steps that are like you open an account in case of other bank accounts. Same thing here itself. You can open an account in the bank PMJDY scheme like that. Okay, so as I never search about how you can open up an account, but I can search through online. So if you are going to go for online, definitely you have to search for the respective bank you can open. For example, in my case, I want to suggest that I go to one bank, public sector bank. Let's example of a BOB, Bank of Baroda. So if you want to search for that, you can search in the Google like BOB with the PMJDY. So under the BOB PMJDY, you can go directly to their website. You can see what are the benefits they will get. And yes, I am currently on the PMJDY, and what are the benefit they're giving is the interest on deposits only 4%. They will give the interest on deposits, and they'll provide a 1 lakh under the Rupee scheme, like as I already told, and with 2 lakh of accidental insurance. Okay, and easy transfer of money. Obviously they will provide the facilities of transferring of money. Your IMPS, one of the things that transferring of money, but yes, the charges will be applicable as that. And you will get a 5 free withdrawal facilities like you get in case of other bank, and above that you have to pay, and you have to pay the penalties if you are ever withdrawing the 5. Okay, so this is the third one. And what are the other facilities? Access to a pensions and insurance product. Yes, you have get an access to the pension, you can invest there, and insurance product. Obviously you can bank at nowadays, and they're selling insurance product, and you can access over that. Okay, so you can pension under the insurance claims under the PMJDY payable to Rupee card, and you can get all the facilities from that. And apart from that, you got an overdraft facility of 10,000 is available. Available in one account of household, preferably for the lady household, subject to the eligibility, and overdraft 2,000 is hassle free. Okay, so it means that every bank is providing 10,000 facilities to the overdraft to the ladies, ladies, as well as the 2,000 is a hassle free, meaning there is no kind of documentation required. Okay, instant, everything can be done instantly. Okay, so this is providing to the facility because they want the main motto is to provide the financial inclusion and banking at your doorstep. Correct. So it is more meant benefit for the poorest section people, the women, and the people who wants to be MSME sectors. Okay, because as I told, the MSME sectors is the most important sector, which is created 50% of the of our income. Okay, and it is contribute the 90% of industry, and government has provided 20 lakh crores package. If you ever see that package, your government manages 10% of Indian GDP is contributed to the MSME sectors. So MSME sector is something happen, our economy is going to be negative and down there. Okay, so in order to provide the best facilities, government has provide a lot of benefits to this and the packages whatever I discussed in my earlier videos. Okay, so hope you understand something. Okay, so you can open an account on online, as I said earlier. Okay, so go to the online, you can open an account and without any, so I will suggest to go open an account. So if you have go an account, so if you want to open an online, definitely you need an address proof. You need about the proof of your identity. It may be the voter ID card, driving license, PAN card, passport, and any NREGA card if you have something. Okay, so this is required for your identity as well as the address proof. All right, so if you have electric bill on your name, you can open it. It's a normal like other accounts like that, you can get the facilities of all of this. All right, so this is the benefit that I want to discuss. Yes, one thing is all about that the PMJDY, the 500 for the women, how the women be benefited through their accounts. Okay, so we know that generally the account number is starting from 10 to 12 digit number. Okay, so if you thinking about any digit from the 1 to 10, I will tell how you get your 500 rupees in a month. Okay, if your account number ending with 0 or 1, you will definitely got the amount are the third of every month. Okay, that April, May, June. If you in between 2 or 3 account number end with, then you will get on 4th of every month. If your account end with 4 or 5, 7th of every month, and 6 or 7, it is 8 of every month, and 8 or 9, 9 of every month. It means that from 1 to 9 account number, the month has been divided on the date. Okay, so if you are in between 1 to 9, you will get on the date wise, correct? So I think most of you have got that one, and most of you will definitely will get, so definitely will benefit for all of you. So if you never have this thing, this video, definitely give a promise to yourself to open an account and to online, because online is more suitable nowadays, and get the benefit out of it. That is the one thing I want to discuss you, and hope this video is basically to know about what exactly skin, how it is benefited for you, how can you open that account. Hope you understand something from our video, and definitely if you have any concern and question, write in my comment list. I'll definitely help you through your answers. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and have a nice day.